If you're working with a certain number of flats in the key signature and you need to figure out the first note, here's how to go about doing that. First of all, we have our order of flats. Battle ends and down goes Charles' father. B, E, A, D, G, C, F. If we have one flat, it'll be B flat. If we have two flats, it'll be B flat and E flat. Scale with four flats would be B flat, E flat, A flat, and D flat. We always have to go in this order. From here, the way we figure out our starting note is we're going to start a flat scale on the second to last flat in the key signature. So for example, if we're working in G clef and we have B flat, E flat, A flat, and D flat, we need to look at the second to last flat, and this scale would start on A flat. Let's do one in F clef. Let's say we have three flats in this scale, so B flat, E flat, A flat. Here the last flat is A flat, the second to last flat is E flat. So we would start this scale on E flat. Okay, now what if I give you the first note of the scale and you need to figure out the key signature? Let's say our first note of the scale is going to be D flat. That means we would need all the flats in the order of flats up to D flat, B, E, A, and D, plus 1. This G flat would make D flat the second to last flat in the key signature, and so that would be our first note. Okay, let's say we need the scale that starts on A flat. We need to figure out this key signature. So we need all the flats up to A flat, B flat, E flat, A flat, plus 1. And this plus 1 makes this the second to last flat, and then you have your key signature. So we need to be able to approach this from both directions. Either you're given the key signature or you're given the first note. If you're given the key signature, you just start it on the second to last flat. You think of all your flats and then you go back one, and that's where you start your scale. If you're given the starting note, you have to have all the flats up to that flat plus 1.